Hey, it's Jason Rogers, majority owner and CEO of Brighter Utilities, and we just put an HVAC deal under contract about an hour south of Tampa. And for those of you that are accredited investors, this could be an interesting opportunity for you to get a high rate of return on your capital. So, again, we put an HVAC service company under contract about an hour and a half south of Tampa Bay. Our headquarters right now, as you may know, are in Clearwater, which is in Tampa Bay. We have a second office that's opening right now in Tampa as well. And now we have an opportunity to continue to expand. And we are open to potentially partnering with several investors who would need to place a minimum of $50,000 into this investment. And what we'd essentially be offering is a combination of debt and equity, which essentially means upside potential on the equity front, as well as a consistent rate of return in a quarterly dividend. Basically, if you're looking for your cake and if you want to eat it too, then this may be something that is perfect for you. Okay, we've taken very good care of our investors historically. We had a doctor that invested with us about 2 years ago. Last year, we bought him out. He made over a 60% rate of return in under 1 year. See, here's what we're essentially doing. We're practicing what you might consider a roll-up or a consolidation play, whereby you acquire a number of different businesses, you combine them under the same umbrella, and essentially you're able to buy this business, this business, this business, and that business for all, say, 3 to 4 times earnings. But when you put them under the same umbrella, those businesses all eventually sell for upwards of 8, 10, or even 12 to 15 times earnings. And that's what we're in the process of doing. It's what allows us to create very lucrative rates of return for our investors while simultaneously giving them distributions or dividends on a quarterly basis so that there's cash flow plus upside appreciation of that investment itself. So there's a lot of opportunity here. I know that. You probably realize that. Truth be said, we could actually self-fund this entirely if we want, but we are open to building quality relationships with investors because we know more deals are coming and we want to have that opportunity to do deals with somebody like yourself and really have 1 + 1 = more than 2. All right? So if this sounds like something that might interest you, then here's what you want to do. Go to brighterutilities.com, enter your information. Upon doing so, if you qualify, we'll send you a non-disclosure agreement. We'll both sign that, and then once that gets signed, we can have a proper conversation and see if there's a mutual match. All right? With that, I look forward to talking to you soon.